My video guide today will help you to get rid of the dangerous pop-up windows that come from the website Coolbreezewmc1.click. Basically, this is the typical online scam that currently attacks many popular browsers. It targets Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers. The real purpose of these pop-up windows is to force you into downloading and installing some software. By the way, this could be certain decent software. However, we definitely condemn these illegal methods of promoting this software, because this site, Coolbreezewmc1.click, is indeed a typical scam, because it says that your computer is infected, that your subscription to your antivirus has expired, and some other deceptive and really scary messages. The occurrence of such pop-ups may be the result of some adware to be currently in your Windows computer. So go to the control panel, carefully research your installed programs and to delete any items that are suspicious here by right-clicking on them and uninstalling them. Now, I would also recommend that you scan your Windows computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software and start scanning your PC with this tool to get it fully researched, examined, and fixed, of course. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan, or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threats found, and it shows what exact threats these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.